Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify annuities with New York Life, full guide step by step clearly. To verify annuities with New York Life, start by gathering your policy information. Locate your policy number, which is usually found on the top of your documents. Visit the New York Life website to access their annuity verification section. Look for the Customer Service or Policyholder Services link, which is typically located in the main menu. Select the option for annuity verification or account access. If you already have an online account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account, entering your personal information as required. Once logged in, navigate to the section specifically for annuity accounts. Enter your policy number and any additional information requested to access your annuity details. Review the annuity information provided, ensuring it matches your records. If you encounter any discrepancies, note them down for further inquiry. For further assistance, locate the customer service phone number on the website. Call the number and have your policy information ready for the representative. Explain your situation and any discrepancies regarding your annuity. Follow their guidance to resolve any issues or verify your annuity details accurately. Thank the representative for their help once your queries have been addressed. Keep copies of all correspondence for your records. Regularly check your annuity information in your account to stay updated on any changes. This process ensures that you have the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding your annuity with New York Life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.